So, we have some exciting news.
What is it?
Well, we finally found someone to mill our lumber. Look what we have.
Bird's nest in there.
So we ended up with 2 really nice size stacks of milled lumber. Now this stuff has been sitting for a while. We were told to let it dry for several months before using it.
Yeah.
But it took a long time for us to find somebody to actually come out and mill this lumber for us. We knew it would cost a lot more to haul it somewhere, so we just kept hoping for a portable sawmill. But we couldn't find a portable sawmill. And so Quinn decided to buy
An Alaskan chainsaw mill.
An Alaskan chainsaw mill.
There we go. We'll be able to do up to almost a 15-inch.
15 inches.
That's decent.
Mm-hmm.
My daddy and Malachi were just about to cut wood. Okay.
There was no tutorial?
Nope.
Look at that!
Look at that!
That's so cool!
How about it?
It's pretty smooth.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. All right, let me see you do it again.
All right, you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do this.
Are you excited?
I am.
Are you tickled pink?
I don't know about pink, but I'm tickled.
Well, your face is a little pink.
Look at that.
Oh, success. Look at that.
That's pretty cool.
Amazing. That is awesome.
That was awesome. That was so cool. I am excited.
It's going to take a long time to get it all done.
You're funny.
Am I now? Silly boy.
Streetlights above this city is buzzing. Creatures in love getting lost in the crowd. All of these people, where are they going? I wanna know if we can slow it down and be like, ooh, yeah, and be like, ooh. Just take a look around. It feels like we're on top of the world. On top of the world. Feels like we're on top of the world.
Yeah, so it was pretty cool.
It was so cool. It was
so
exciting.
You just mount it to the chainsaw blade, and you can cut up to whatever size the blade is on the chainsaw. But
yeah.
But yeah, I was getting through a 12-foot log in like 2 minutes.
I
I was feeling excited
It was really cool.
until
but
I was going through the white oaks, and I kept having to stop.
we needed a lot of lumber for the project we were working on, and that was just not cutting the mustard.
No.
It was just not. And then we got so blessed, and we found someone on Facebook who had a nice portable sawmill.
Yep.
And he came out and hooked us up. And we would have had amazing drone footage for you guys, Bye.
Somebody decided to be reckless. Tell me what you did.
Well, I was getting a beautiful drone shot, and then all of a sudden there was a branch.
Alright, see it hanging from the branch up there? Way up there?
I guess we need to pray some.
Something.
What?
Maybe we get something.
A ladder or something?
Yeah.
We need some strong winds. You said what?
He said fly the drone.
And you did.
So I did.
Oh my
I want to see it. Sign is broken.
What is it, honey?
Oh, the wind came and helped us out.
We prayed for some wind.
And it broke.
Oh,
And the broke.
that's a stinker.
Yeah. I told you guys should
I still love you though.
buy a new one.
Here's the process of us starting with logs and ending with an amazing finished product. And if you're like us and you have logs sitting on your property, find someone near you to come out and mill it. It is the best thing ever. Y'all, it took us 1.5 years to find someone, and so our lumber sat for that long and it still did just fine.
Yeah, we
Like-
found some white oak that probably sat for 5-6 years, and we were still able to get good wood out of it.
We got great wood out of it. There was a couple spots that were rotten, but the bulk of it we are able to use. So we heard so many people tell us, well, if it's not fresh cut, you're not gonna be able to mill it. And we were like, oh, I'm getting discouraged.
Yeah.
But once he came out and assessed it, he was like, yeah, this is totally fine. We're like, yes.
Yeah.
The mud, though.
What do you think of this mud pit?
Woo! I think I want to ride with you. So this tractor really is not big enough for the two of us,
This is fine.
but we do it anyway.
Yeah, no, that's good.
That was so smooth.
Well, that's smoothness.
Good job. That is a massive log. Oh my goodness. Woo, you're spinning. You're spinning. In preparation for log milling, Quinn was supposed to be leveling a spot where we would be working. Somehow he got distracted though.
I help his dad.
Oh, boogers.
I can help him that away.
Hey, Mama.
Hey, what's good?
Oh, I'm like a kid in a candy shop right now.
Why?
Well, we got some massive rocks.
Really?
Yeah, like the size of Malachi.
Whoa.
Wow, that's a big one.
Yeah, that's a small one.
That's a small one?
What?
Big old rocks. They're almost as big as you.
That pile of rocks is making my husband so happy. It almost appears that it makes him happier than when he's with me.
All right, milling's getting done. All right, this is exciting.
This is so exciting.
So he's able to do the white oaks, which were, I don't know, probably over 30 inches wide.
Yeah.
So yeah, he's flying through it. So we're about to, we got 3x6 boards that we're gonna put down for the base to stack them onto, and then we'll cover them at the end.
Right now we are needing to get some of these bigger logs from the bottom of the pile so that when we stack, our longest boards are on the very bottom. So Quinn's gonna do a little bit of rearranging and then we'll keep going. But it's going really well. I'm very excited.
Sun's rising, don't let the light in. I breathe in this feeling, don't need to fight it. Down on my street, follow my feet, feel the sun on my skin. Bells ringing, birds singing, hello, good morning. Making up plans, taking a chance, turn it into something. Sing my song, gonna take on whatever's coming. It's a long road till tomorrow, I'm taking it all in. It's a new day, going my way. Hello, good morning. It's a good, 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 good morning. It's a good, 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 good morning. It's a good, 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 good morning. Sun's rising, let the light in. Hello, good morning. All the places I'll go and the roots I let grow. All the mountains I've yet to climb, all the dreams I've locked up.
What's up there, kitty? Oli Oli.